Introducing the DNAKE AC01, with its premium aluminum alloy construction and ultra-slim design. It works with network power or regular 12V power. You can install it on top of the wall or inside it. Now, take your network cable from the switch and plug it into the back of the AC01. That's it, one cable does everything. Tap your card, or use your phone. It remembers 60,000 cards and keeps 100,000 records. Store 20,000 users and remembers every entry. You can also unlock remotely with the DNAKE mobile app. You can manage it online from anywhere. Done. Your AC01 is ready. Open your web browser. You're now on the dashboard. Here you can see all the basic settings. First, set up your project ID, adjust the volume, and enable tamper alarm. Then configure your time settings, network options, and change your password. Now click on Access Control, then go to Relay Settings. This is where we'll add your access cards. Type in your card number, then scan your card on the device. Click Save to register it. The card is now enabled. Add a username and select the user type. Click Save and you're done. Your AC01 is now ready to use. The card is active and the user can access the door.